So this is a 1967 Kenskill that I grabbed, I don't know, a few months ago, something like that, and had big aspirations of doing a guest house with it, but plans have changed and I'm just not gonna have time to get around to it. So it's I'm gonna show it to you in all its glory, and haven't even cleaned it out or anything since we brought it home. But the nice thing is, it's like anything, there's a lot of good and a lot of bad. It needs restoration, but it's a very complete trailer. See that cool Kenskill badge on the back? And you can see the skins on it are beautiful patina and in really good shape. So excuse the mess inside, like I say, haven't cleaned it up or anything, but here she is. Very complete. It's got the two couches here that would convert into beds with the table down the middle, and the front windows closed, of course, with the shield, but big windows in the front. This was used as a dark room at one point, so that's just old paper that was used to black out the interior. You can see all the fixtures are in here, all the mid-century stuff. That's what I really dug about it, was that it had this whole mid-century vibe going on. But the good, the bad, of course, the vents have leaked, and there will need to be some sort of wood repair or replacement there. But you can see original appliances, avocado green. Cabinets and stuff are all still real nice. Very, very restorable trailer. I have not checked out any of the components, but this thing looks like people just walked away from it, and everything's still very, very original in here. Refrigerator. This is a really cool layout. It's got this mid bathroom, which has a bathtub and sink and toilet, and so you walk through the bathroom into the bedroom. That is a like fiberglass with that gold Asian looking tree on it, and of course the vent in here has leaked. But look at this medicine cabinet. It's all chrome, cracked ice glass. I mean, really, really cool stuff. Again, that's the stuff that attracted me. Too dark to see anything in there. But all the cabinets here, all the hardware's here. Look at this, it's got like another little heater back here. And then in the bedroom, it's got this dressing table. You can see the water damage in the corners back there that would need to be replaced. But here you've got a dressing table or desk. This folds up and down. And then, of course, again, the cool lights. Everything's complete. It's not missing a bunch of stuff. You got another vent back here that's leaked. The curtains have just... Curtains are not savable. They're literally falling off. So, but you can see it's got water damage in the corners. There's going to have to be, like in this bedroom, probably most of the walls would have to be replaced to do it really nice, and then around the vent as well. But again, the cabinets are nice. This wall is nice. The bathroom's super cool. It's just a really cool, complete trailer if you wanted a project, either as a camper or as something like we were going to do where you put it in your backyard for a guest house. But I am just not ready to start another project, so I'm going to pass it on. So if you'd like to come and see it, come and check it out.